What is bias in MSA and why is it important? This intriguing question is often met with puzzled expressions, and that's okay, because today we're going to unravel the mystery behind this concept. Imagine for a moment a world where every measurement tool, every instrument, and every gauge was perfect. A world where every measurement taken was always accurate. Sounds ideal, right? But in reality, this is far from the truth. This is where bias in MSA, or measurement system analysis, comes into play. So, what exactly is bias in MSA? In simple terms, bias is the difference between the average measurement taken by a measurement system and the true value of the characteristic being measured. It's like having a scale that always shows you're 2 pounds heavier, no matter what. That difference, that consistent deviation from the truth, that's bias. Now, why is understanding bias in MSA important? Well, in any field that involves measurement, which is pretty much every field you can think of, bias can significantly skew results. In manufacturing, for instance, bias can lead to faulty products. In healthcare, it could potentially result in misdiagnosis. Hence, recognizing and accounting for bias is crucial in maintaining accuracy and quality. Let's put what we've learned into perspective. Bias in MSA is the consistent difference between the measurement taken and the actual value. It's like a sneaky little error that creeps into your results, potentially leading to significant problems if not acknowledged and addressed. Understanding bias in MSA is crucial because it affects the accuracy and quality of results across various fields. From manufacturing to healthcare, the impact of bias can be far-reaching. In conclusion, bias in MSA is not just a fancy term thrown around in a laboratory. It's a real, tangible issue that can have significant implications if not properly managed. Recognizing bias, understanding its impact, and taking steps to mitigate it is integral for anyone involved in a field that relies on measurements. So the next time you step on a scale or read a thermometer, remember, it's not just about the numbers you see. It's also about understanding the potential bias that could be lurking behind them. And that, in essence, is the fascinating world of bias in MSA. Now you know what it is and why it's important. And with this knowledge, you're one step closer to mastering the complex world of measurements. Remember, in a world full of measurements, don't let bias tip the scales.